Verify Clearance.
The Verify Clearance tool examines two selected parts to determine if they overlap or provide a minimum distance between the parts. To use the Verify Clearance, select two solid parts and select the Verify Clearance item. This will return the distance of the clearance and also a location of the clearance. And in addition, a line is created between the two minimum distance points. To see it, let's hide our handle and just look at the screw and the line that was created. We'll zoom up and you can see this line is a point on each of the faces between the parts. Another use of the Verify Clearance tool is to determine if a part is overlapping another part or it shares the same space. Let's go ahead and move our part down and now do a Verify Clearance. And this time we see that it finds an interference and it shows us the volume of interference.
Thanks for watching.